Hey, and welcome to Witchcrafty. Before I start making some of the hardest to make characters from Stardew Valley, I thought I'd start with a tutorial on Krobus. Here's a list of everything you need. Pause here if you need to. The pattern is available for free in the description for my DeviantArt. Make sure to follow the key in the top left hand corner before you cut it out. The first thing you need to do is to join the white eyes and mouth onto the upside of one of the body pieces using a running or a backstitch. Once done, take two of the curved antenna pieces and join them together along the curved side, leaving the bottom straight edge open. When you reach the end, flip it the right way up. Then, place both body pieces together with the tracing facing up and begin joining them together. When you reach the top, tuck in the antenna at the top and join it in so it points to the left when it's flipped the right way up. Once you've almost reached the end of the sewing line, flip the plush the right way up and stuff it. Close off the gap with an invisible stitch. And that is how you make your own little Krobus. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and comment down below on ideas that you'd like to see me make next. And while you're at it, why don't you go check out my other videos? I upload new videos every single week. Thanks for watching, bye!